good friend, is what I did in the beginning of your podcast. I sincerely gave a positive escalation to your personal assistant, Virginia, because she was rocking and rolling this morning, making sure everything was perfect. And
Yeah.
when you do something like that for somebody, it's going to separate me from the 999 other people that have been on your podcast and have contacted you for business. And so when it comes down to choosing somebody to work with, the contract, a recommendation, you put everything else aside, the prices and stuff, and you say, prior to any sort of money exchange or contract, look what he said about Virginia. Look at the sort of due diligence we did about each other, and we're really interested in one another. And I think that's the sort of individual that I could work with long term, because when the going gets tough, I know Richie's not going to have any surprises. He's going to give you a phone call and let you know what's happening, and then have a game plan. And that's
Nice.
maturity and impulse control. And it was one of the toughest things I had to learn. But these were some of the best lessons I had, is the relationships I had with my clients when I had to make that call, Dean. I tell you what, AI can't make that call, Dean. How can
Yeah.
AI break news? Unless they're telling you your lights are shut off, or your credit, your bank's got nothing in it, zero balance. You don't want to hear that from AI.